Hello, this is a demo on how to take apart and put back together the Practical Planet portable cutlery set. So let's start. I have one here. Start by taking off the lid, and it shall show you three categories. We have some heads, and then different various parts of each piece of silverware. So let's start. First, I'm going to take apart, or take off, this spoon right here. Set that down there. Next is the head of the fork. Set that down right there. And then the head of the knife, which is going to be right in here. Set that down. Now we have the three heads. So now what you're going to do, let me move these to the side. Inside here there are a bunch of these pieces that kind of look like this. They have various different endings on them. Some of them have screws like this coming out. Some of them have holes on both sides. So let me remove all of these. Here we go. So as you can see, we have three categories. This category has a screw on the top and no opening on the bottom. This category has an opening on both sides, as you can see here, here. This category is slightly longer than all the rest of them, so I'm going to move these to the side. These are going to be the chopsticks. This category is going to be the middle parts, and these are going to be the end parts. So line one of these up with each of these. Line each of these up with the skinnier side of this facing the bottom of each of the heads. And then take these and move them right below it, like so. Now, all you can do is take them up and screw them together, like so. Put them on each other and then turn. They come together pretty easily. And once you're done, there you go, it's all together. I do that for all three of them. And there we go. Now the cutlery is put together. Let's start with the chopsticks. As you can see, out of these four pieces, there are two of them that have grooves in the end, just like this. We're going to take the one of the pieces that doesn't have grooves, as well as one of them that does have grooves, screw them together. I do it with the other one. And there we go. The entire set is put together. So, now that we have them all together, how do you take them apart and put them back in? You're going to start with the chopstick. Take it and just unscrew it like this. There we go. Do that with the other chopstick. So, now that we have it apart, here's how you're going to put it back in the box. You're going to take one of the base pieces of the chopstick and one of the head pieces. And as you can see, the head piece gets bigger to smaller as it goes. Same with the body piece, smaller to bigger. You're going to take the bigger side of the head piece and the smaller side of the body piece and put them next to each other. And you're just going to stick it in the box on the long ways, this way. Do the same with the other pair. Small side next to big side, just like this. And then put it in the box. Now the chopsticks are in the box. Next, you're going to take the knife, unscrew the head, and that's going to go right there, next to the chopsticks, right in that slot. And then you're going to take the body of the knife and unscrew it like this, like so. Make sure the bigger and smaller pieces are next to each other, then simply fit it in the box, in the short side. Next, you're going to take the fork, unscrew the head, and it's important that the fork goes in first, because the fork goes under the spoon. So you're going to put the fork in the box, just like that, so it should fit right in there. And then take the body of the fork, take it apart, make sure it lines up, and then place it in the box, again on the short side, just like so. Next, we're going to take the spoon, unscrew the head, and that's going to go on top of the fork, just like so. You may need to push down a little bit harder just to get it to fit in there. Just get it so it locks down underneath these tabs. But once it's in there, it should stay. Then you're going to take the body, unscrew it, make sure that they match up. You're going to place it just like this in here. From there, if there's any parts that bulge out, you're just going to turn them over and they should fit just fine. You're going to take the lid, put it on like this. There you go. And now you can carry this wherever you go. The lid should stay down as long as you have nothing popping it up. Then you can go put it in your backpack or work bag and take it wherever you want to go. Thanks for watching.